Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Want to protect your privacy and prevent unauthorized access to your Instagram account? And you might want to lock it with Face ID on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you the easiest method on how to lock Instagram with Face ID on any iPhone. Let's go. If you want to protect your privacy and prevent others from accessing your Instagram account, you might be wondering if you can use Face ID to lock it. Fortunately, there is a way to achieve this using the Shortcuts app. Shortcuts allows you to create custom workflows and automate tasks on your iPhone. To use the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, you need to follow these steps. Find and install the app from the App Store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and click on the automation icon at the bottom. Choose Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and select App. Ensure that Is Opened is checked, and then tap on Choose. This is the trigger for the action you will set up later. Browse Instagram from the list and select Done. Go to Next, and then press the Add Action button on the following screen. Type Lock Screen in the text field, and choose the option that appears below. If you want to run a certain automation without any notification, switch off Ask Before Running, and click Done to save your changes. Now, if you try to open Instagram, you will see that there's an automation happening after setting it up in Shortcuts. Instagram now needs to be opened using Face ID. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.